Hi everyone, today let us discuss text functions in Excel. These functions operate on text or labels. Let us discuss these functions one by one. First one is upper function. This function converts the text to uppercase letters. The text to be converted should be passed as argument. You can directly enter label or text here. If you are entering the text as argument directly, then it should be enclosed within double quotes. Now press enter key. Now the text is converted to uppercase letters. One more way is here, instead of writing the text directly, you can give the address of a cell where the text exists. Here our text is in cell E3. Just click it. Upper of E3. This will convert the text electronic spreadsheet into uppercase letters. Next one is lower. Again its syntax is lower than text. It converts the text to lowercase letters. Here now only here first letter is capital, remaining letters are small. It will convert the first letter which is in capital into lowercase letters. Remaining letters are kept as it is. So the output is cap in small case letters. Or here also you can give cell address, this one, electronic spreadsheet, lower of E8. Now you can see the text is converted into all lowercase letters. Next one is proper. This function converts the text to title case or proper case. Title case or proper case means the first letter of each word is capitalized. For that, proper, then here I will enter the cell E10, electronic spreadsheets. Now you can see the first letter of each word is capitalized. Next one is left function. This function is used to extract characters from left or beginning of the string or text. The first argument is text. Here I will enter this cell address, that is E11. We are going to extract the text from electronic spreadsheets text. Then numchars means number of characters you want to extract from the beginning. This argument is optional. Here I will enter numchars as 5. It means it will extract 5 characters from beginning of the text. The text is electronic spreadsheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will extract the text elect. In the same way, you can extract the text from end of the given text or from the right side. For that, the function available is right function. Its syntax is same as left function. Text, again 11, comma, numchars, number of characters you want to extract from right side of the text. Here I will enter the text as numchars as 7, then close the brackets, then press enter key. Here last 7 characters from the text electronic spreadsheet are DSHEETS. Next one, mid. Left and right functions extract the characters either from left or right side of the string. If you want to extract characters from middle of the string, then we can use mid function. Its syntax is text from which you are going to extract the characters 11, then start num and numchars. The start num argument specifies the position from which you want to extract the characters. If I want to extract RONIC, start num would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. R is the starting, R is the position from which I want to extract the character. Therefore, it is 6. From this position, I want to extract 5 characters. So, numchars would be 5. Then close the bracket. So, output is RONIC because the argument 6, it indicates the starting position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 6th position we have R. From this position it will extract 5 characters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the output of this mid function is RONIC. Next one is concatenate function. This function is used to concatenate or join 2 or more strings together. The syntax is then text1, text2 up to 255 text can be entered. Here also you can directly write the text, say computer, comma, another text SCIENC, science. Here I have entered 2 texts. When you press enter key, the concatenate function concatenates or adds one string, second string at the end of first string. The first string is computer. At the end of this string, it will join science. So the output is computer science. In the same way, you can pass any number of argument, that is up to 255 text as argument to concatenate function. There is an operator called ampersand or and operator. Using this operator also we can concatenate or join 2 strings. To join 2 strings using concatenate operator or ampersand operator, the syntax is the first string, say data, this is our first string, then and, next base. And is join concatenation, string concatenation operator. So the output is data base. Next one is trim. This function trims or removes unwanted or extra spaces in our string. The syntax is trim, then text to be trimmed. Here I will give some extra spaces, data, then base. In this text there are some extra spaces here. It will remove the extra spaces except the single space between 2 words or between the words. You can see this is the output. Next one is len. This function returns number of characters in the given string. Len, then text. Now I want to find number of characters in this string. So the address of this cell is E16. Just click on that cell, then close the bracket. Here how many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters are there. So the output of len function is 8. Or you can pass a text. I will leave 2 blank spaces, PASE. Here it will count blank spaces also. Database text has 8 characters plus I have given 2 blank spaces, so the output is 10. That is, it counts blank spaces also. Next function is char. This function returns the character specified by a number. Means internally each character is stored as a number. There are different coding systems. Commonly used coding system to store a character is ASCII code. In ASCII code, the number 67 is assigned to 65 is assigned to capital A, 66 to capital B, 67 to capital C, and so on. So if I enter the char function as char of 65, then it returns the character capital A. In the similar way, char of 97 means small case letters are given character codes as 97, 98, 99 and so on. So if I enter 100, then the small letter D is returned. Next function is rept. This function is used to repeat the text we want. The syntax is rept, text, then number of times. Here you have to enter the text which you want to repeat. Say cab, then number of times you want to repeat this text. Say 5. Now the text cab will be repeated 5 times. You can see the result here. Function we are going to discuss is exact. This function is used to compare two strings or two texts. If these two strings or texts are exactly equal, then it returns true. Otherwise, this function returns false. And this function is case sensitive. Case sensitive means both uppercase and lowercase letters are considered different. Here, these two strings are exactly similar. Therefore, the function returns true. But if you change the text, any letter to uppercase or lowercase, here the text is similar, cab, cab, but here I have changed the first letter of second text to capital. Now this function returns false because this function is case sensitive. Thank you.